Everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you from where we takes our uniform when we comes for the duty. So I have my uniform over here. So you can see I already hang it. So let's start. So guys, you can see it's our laundry room, five-star hotel laundry room. All the five-star hotel they follow this laundry. So here all the outlet there is a dress. So you can see one pressure. So we will just press it and you can see the magic. All this machine dress code is spinning, right? So I'm just waiting for my uniform number, and there is lots of department, uniforms. So if they want, so they can take it from here, because all this stuff there is a separate number which provided by the HR. So you can see it's a different color of uniforms, right? So I'm just waiting for my number. So here is a chef codes, all the chef codes, right? So here we go. My uniform number came. So 341. I will just take it from here. Uniform, sorry, chef coat and trouser. You can see, and there is a lots of apron, right? It's a different outlets apron. So it's my uniform number 341. So bye.